Welcome back to the KhazinaDigital Guide to QSR Mastery. So far, we've talked about what's on the screen. But what about all the other screens in your business? What about the moments between an order being placed and picked up? Today, we're going to expand your vision and show you how digital signage can be a powerful force for your entire business, not just your menu. Think of your QSR as a complete ecosystem. You have a front of house, a back of house, and a customer experience that needs to be managed from the moment they walk in. Digital signage is the thread that can tie all of this together. It can reduce perceived wait times, entertain and inform your customers, and even streamline your internal operations. First, let's talk about those customers waiting for their order. You know how frustrating it can be when a queue is long, or the order is taking a moment. That feeling of waiting can be a huge driver of customer dissatisfaction. But digital signage can change this. By displaying dynamic content like your brand story, behind-the-scenes videos of your team, or a live social media feed, you distract and entertain them. Imagine showing a video of how fresh your ingredients are, or displaying customer reviews and photos. This not only makes the wait feel shorter, but it also strengthens your brand identity and builds a genuine connection. Now, let's look behind the counter. Digital signage isn't just for customers. You can use a screen in the kitchen as a kitchen display system, KDS. This replaces paper tickets and keeps your team organized. Orders from the counter, online, or a self-service kiosk all appear on one screen, reducing errors and speeding up order prep. It creates a seamless workflow that a paper system simply can't match. And for your staff, you can use screens in the back to display team targets, employee of the month recognition, or important health and safety announcements. It's a powerful tool for internal communication that keeps everyone motivated and on the same page. When you look at digital signage this way, it's not just a menu board, it's a strategic asset for your entire operation. From enhancing the customer experience to boosting staff efficiency and brand loyalty, the possibilities are endless. Stop leaving this power untapped. In our next episode, we are going to show you how to measure the impact of all this. We'll be talking about analytics and ROI, proving the value of your investment. Make sure you're subscribed to KhazinaDigital so you don't miss it.